free money sitting in your property right now, and most landlords never find it. I discovered this after losing 3 tenants in 1 month and nearly going bankrupt. Everyone thinks real estate investing is about buying low and selling high, but that's amateur thinking. The real game is in the invisible details that separate struggling landlords from wealthy ones. When my third tenant moved out, I was devastated. Then I started documenting everything. Every repair call, every complaint, every late payment. What I found changed everything. The tenant who complained about noise wasn't just being difficult. She was telling me the walls were thin, which meant I could soundproof and charge premium rent. The guy who always paid late wasn't irresponsible. He got paid on the 15th, so I shifted his due date and eliminated the problem. That broken dishwasher I kept fixing, replacing it with a high-efficiency model let me advertise as eco-friendly and attract better tenants willing to pay more. Most landlords see problems. I started seeing profit opportunities hidden in plain sight. Within 6 months, I increased my rental income by 40% without raising base rent. I just solved problems that tenants didn't even know they wanted solved. The maintenance guy became my secret weapon. He knew which upgrades tenants actually cared about versus what looked good on paper. Smart locks, USB outlets, and proper lighting beat granite countertops every time. Your properties are talking to you through every interaction, every repair request, every tenant conversation. The question is, are you listening to the complaints or are you hearing the opportunities? Stop managing properties. Start optimizing experiences. Your bank account will thank you.